Sydney, Australia's largest and most famous city, is a vibrant metropolis that perfectly balances natural beauty, modern urban culture and historical heritage. Its iconic landmarks, scenic beaches, world-class dining and numerous attractions make it one of the most visited cities in the world. Whether you are a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, Sydney offers an array of unforgettable experiences. Before we start exploring Sydney, don't forget to like and subscribe. Visit the Sydney Opera House. The Sydney Opera House is one of the most recognizable buildings in the world and is synonymous with the city itself. Its striking sail-like design, created by Danish architect Jorn Utzon, has made it an architectural marvel and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. No trip to Sydney is complete without visiting this landmark, whether it's for a guided tour, attending a performance, or simply admiring its exterior from nearby vantage points like Circular Quay or the Royal Botanic Garden. For those interested in the arts, the Opera House hosts a variety of events, including theater, ballet, opera, and concerts, offering an immersive cultural experience. Even if you're not attending a performance, taking a guided tour of the Opera House is a must. These tours provide insights into the history of the building and the challenges faced during its construction. Best experiences. Attend a performance at one of the theaters inside the Opera House. Climb the Sydney Harbour Bridge. The Sydney Harbour Bridge, known affectionately as the Coat Hanger, is another iconic symbol of Sydney and offers one of the best ways to experience the city's breathtaking views. Visitors can opt for the famous bridge climb, where you'll be guided to the top of the bridge's arches for panoramic views of Sydney Harbour, the Opera House, and the city skyline. This exhilarating experience is perfect for thrill seekers and those wanting a unique perspective of the city. For a less adventurous option, walking or cycling across the bridge is free and provides stunning views of the harbour and surrounding areas. There is also the Pylon Lookout, a viewing platform located in one of the bridge's pylons, offering a more budget-friendly option for enjoying the views. Best experiences. Join the bridge climb for an adrenaline-pumping adventure. Relax at Bondi Beach. Bondi Beach is Australia's most famous beach and a must-visit destination for sunseekers, surfers, and those who enjoy beach culture. With its golden sands, clear waters, and relaxed atmosphere, Bondi Beach offers the quintessential Sydney experience. Whether you're taking a dip in the ocean, learning to surf, or simply lounging on the sand, Bondi Beach is the perfect spot to unwind and enjoy the Australian sunshine. In addition to beach activities, the Bondi to Coogee Coastal Walk is a stunning cliffside trail that offers spectacular views of the coastline. This 6-kilometer walk takes you through picturesque beaches and parks with plenty of opportunities to stop for a swim, grab a bite at beachside cafes, or admire the natural beauty of the area. Best experiences? Swim or surf in the waves at Bondi Beach. Explore the Royal Botanic Garden. The Royal Botanic Garden is an oasis of tranquility in the heart of Sydney, offering a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of the city. Spread over 30 hectares, this beautifully landscaped garden is home to a diverse collection of plants from around the world, including native Australian flora. The garden's scenic walking paths lead visitors past ponds, greenhouses, and open lawns, making it a perfect spot for a leisurely stroll or picnic. One of the highlights of the Royal Botanic Garden is Mrs. Macquarie's Chair, a historic sandstone seat carved by convicts in 1810. This vantage point offers one of the best views of Sydney Harbour, with stunning vistas of both the Opera House and Harbour Bridge. The garden is also home to the Calyx, a contemporary exhibition space that hosts seasonal displays and events focused on plant science and art. For the best experience, take a walk to Mrs. Macquarie's Chair for iconic harbour views. Discover Sydney's history at the Rocks. For those interested in Sydney's colonial past, a visit to the Rocks is essential. This historic area, located near Circular Quay, was the site of the first European settlement in Australia. Today, the Rocks is a lively precinct filled with cobblestone streets, historic buildings, pubs, markets, and galleries. Visitors can explore the area's rich history through the Rocks Discovery Museum, which offers free exhibitions about the early colonial era and the indigenous heritage of the region. On weekends, the Rocks Market is held, where you can browse for local arts and crafts, fashion, and food. Many of the pubs in the Rocks are among the oldest in Sydney. and they offer a chance to experience authentic Australian hospitality while soaking in the historic atmosphere. For the best experience, enjoy a drink at one of the historic pubs, such as the Lord Nelson Brewery or the Australian Heritage Hotel. Take a ferry to Manly Beach. One of the most scenic and enjoyable ways to experience Sydney's harbour is by taking a ferry ride from Circular Quay to Manly Beach. The ferry ride itself offers spectacular views of the Opera House, Harbour Bridge, and the city skyline as you cruise across the harbour. Upon arrival in Manly, you'll be greeted by a laid-back coastal suburb with a relaxed vibe, making it the perfect place for a day trip. Manly Beach is famous for its surf-friendly waves, beautiful promenade, and bustling cafes. Visitors can swim, surf, or simply relax on the beach. For those looking to explore more of the area, the Manly to Spitbridge Coastal Walk is a scenic trail that winds through bushland, offering stunning views of the harbour and the Sydney skyline. For the best experience, hike the Manly to Spitbridge Coastal Walk for a mix of nature and urban scenery. Art lovers will find plenty to admire at the Art Gallery of New South Wales, one of Sydney's premier cultural institutions. Located near the Royal Botanic Garden, the gallery houses an impressive collection of Australian, European and Asian art, including works by notable Indigenous artists. The gallery's rotating exhibitions often feature modern and contemporary art from around the world, making it a hub for both classic and cutting-edge artwork. In addition to its permanent collection, the gallery frequently hosts special exhibitions, talks, and workshops, offering an engaging cultural experience for visitors of all ages. The gallery's location also provides easy access to nearby attractions such as the Domain and Woolloomooloo Wharf. Best experiences? Attend one of the gallery's special exhibitions or cultural events. Experience wildlife at Taronga Zoo. For an up-close encounter with Australia's unique wildlife, a visit to Taronga Zoo is a must. Located on the shores of Sydney Harbour, Taronga Zoo offers kangaroos, koalas, and wombat from the world. The zoo's stunning location provides visitors with incredible views of the Sydney skyline, making it a perfect day out for families and animal lovers. In addition to active experiences, such as the Sky Safari, a cable car ride that provides aerial views of the zoo and harbour. For a truly memorable experience, visitors can also book an overnight program, which includes a night safari and luxury tents. Best experiences? Get up close with Australian animals like kangaroos and koalas. Shop at Queen Victoria Building. For a mix of shopping, architecture, and history, the Queen Victoria Building, or QVB, is a must-visit destination in the heart of Sydney. Originally built in the 19th century, this grand Romanesque building is home to a wide array of boutique stores, cafes, and restaurants. The building itself is an architectural masterpiece with stained glass windows, intricate tile work, and an impressive central dome. Even if you're not in the mood to shop, the QVB is worth visiting for its historical significance and beauty. The building also houses the Royal Clock and Great Australian Clock, both of which offer hourly displays that are a hit with visitors. Best experiences. Watch the hourly displays of the Royal Clock and Great Australian Clock. Admire the views from Sydney Tower Eye. For a bird's-eye view of Sydney, head to the Sydney Tower Eye, the tallest structure in the city. Standing at 309 meters, the tower's observation deck offers 360-degree views of Sydney, including iconic landmarks like the Opera House, Harbour Bridge, and Bondi Beach. On clear days, you can even see as far as the Blue Mountains. For thrill seekers, the Skywalk experience takes you outside the tower, where you can walk along a glass-floored platform while taking in breathtaking views of the city below. Best experiences. Try the Skywalk experience. Visit at sunset for stunning views as the city lights up. Sydney is a city that offers something for everyone, from its iconic landmarks like the Sydney Opera House and Harbour Bridge to its beautiful beaches, vibrant neighborhoods, and rich cultural experiences. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a history buff, or simply looking to relax, Sydney's diverse attractions ensure that every visitor leaves with unforgettable memories. From the scenic ferry ride to Manly Beach to the artistic treasures at the Art Gallery of New South Wales, Sydney's vibrant energy and natural beauty make it a world-class destination that captivates travelers time and time again. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any information on possible travel destinations for yourself.